Good evening everybody and welcome to Creatrix channel my dear students, and here I am back with another super video about NITI Mumbai. Yes, so till now I have been guiding you guys related to MTech from IITs, but this week I thought let's try something different. Why not talk about something that is very interesting and that you guys might fall in love with. Yes, many engineers have an aspiration that they want to enter the management field. And this NITI Mumbai through GATE offers them one such opportunity that they can switch their career from engineering to management. Now, why is that a prominent career choice among engineers? Because whenever we combine the engineering as well as the management skills, those people are very good in certain sectors. Like if we talk about sales. If you are selling an engineering product and you are good at sales as well as you have a technical background, then you might be able to do better than the people who are competing with you, right? And that is why management sector seems so much more important nowadays combined with the technical education. Moreover, some people are in engineering not by choice but by chance. And for those people, they really want to switch their sector from technical to management. Even in my college when I was studying in IIT, many of my friends gave CAT examination and they did their post-graduation from IIM. And that proved to be a great step in their career because then they were able to achieve great heights. So that is one such opportunity which every one of you must explore if you are preparing for technical exams. You do have an opportunity to continue in the technical sector. You do have an opportunity to go for a job, but you also have an opportunity to go for management courses from colleges like NITI Mumbai. So let's get started, students. Let me first start by introducing myself for those of you who might be watching this video for the first time. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2018 and 2014. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal by President of India himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, beta, all of this you know about me, but what you need to know the most is that the team on this channel is one of the best team ever you will find for any competitive exam related to your technical education. Not because of their knowledge, yes, that is a plus point, but the thing is the intent that they carry, the kind of thought process they have for the students, that is really admirable, because every faculty goes beyond whatever they can do, and that too on a consistent basis, just to make sure your journey is very smooth and you are able to achieve your goals. I can personally guarantee that every educator teaching on this channel, they don't care about the effort, they don't care about the hours, they don't care about what all pain they have to go through, but yes, they are committed to your success. They come live on this channel every day without fail, continuously training you, guiding you to make you better engineers. And guys, our initiatives are not restricted to YouTube. Mind that. Our initiatives for free are also available on Unacademy app. So once you download the app, you can access any of our free initiative simply by applying the code ANKITESE. And my friend, if you want to watch my Unacademy free classes, just visit this link bit.ly/AnkitESE. You will be able to locate all the special classes that I have taken till date or I'm going to take in the future. If you want to watch my live class, then go to the upcoming section. You will come to know the schedule that I follow for these classes, and regularly you can be present in my special classes which are truly special. Now, without further ado, let's start. NITI, God's own campus. The campus is so beautiful that you can call it the God's own campus, and that is a term that is quite famous in NITI. Okay. The students there are very happy about the campus, and they like to relate this name to the campus of NITI Mumbai. Now, NITI is National Institute of Industrial Engineering, was established as NIT in Industrial Engineering by Government of India in 1963. Yes, it has a rich history. It is recognized as one of the 15 centers of excellence by Ministry of HRD. It is renowned as a top Indian school for operation and supply chain management. So the courses that NITI offers in operation management, supply chain management, those are one of the best in the country and are at par with best courses in the world as well. And here you can see a picture of the NITI campus. If you see, it is surrounded by greenery, it is surrounded nearby, it is a sea. So it's so beautiful that you will fall in love with the place and you will cherish each and every moment that you are going to spend there, because it's not only about the education, it's also about the environment that you are going to get there. It's about the facilities, it's about the scenery, it's about each and everything, and that is going to develop you to be a better engineer, to be a better bureaucrat, to be a better technocrat, anything that you want to be. You will be better at everything if you get a wholesome development, if you get a all-around development when you enter such colleges as NITI. Now, what are the programs offered? PGDIE, Postgraduate Diploma in Industrial Engineering, Postgraduate Diploma in Industrial Management, Postgraduate Diploma in Sustainability Management. Okay, I'm used to technical, so I did not call it as management, I called as measurement, but please mind me. So all these management courses are offered there. 3 courses: Industrial Engineering, Industrial Management and Sustainability Management. Again, here is another picture from a different angle showing the campus of NITI. You can see in the evening how beautiful does it look, right? Will you agree with me? It's so beautiful. Now, first let us talk about PGDIE. It is a flagship course of NITI Mumbai, 2-year full-time general management program. Full-time means you have to be present inside the campus, but in COVID it might be online. But in general, you have to be present inside the campus for 2 years in order to complete this course. You have a gamut of domains like operation management, supply chain management, financial management, marketing management, system and IT management, project management, manufacturing, productivity management, quality management, ergonomics, strategic planning, system engineering, logistic and enterprise resource planning. So there are lots of courses that you are going to learn in this particular course. Okay, there are separate domains inside this. That means you can be specialized in each of the domains that lie under the industrial engineering. And believe me, my friend, all these courses have great market demand, and that is why the students from this college, this particular college, have got great placement over the years. Now, postgraduate diploma in sustainability measurement. So you have operations here, supply chain management, business strategy, sustainability, environmental safety management, corporate CSR, and is updated regularly with the inputs from alumni and industry. That is the best part. See, what is the major drawback of the technical education system of this country? The courses that we are studying even till today, they are not at par with the industry requirement. They are not at par with the world. We are still learning very old technologies, very old things which might not be useful in today's world. But if any college has taken such a step that they update their courses based on the feedback of the alumni. Why alumni is important for any college? Because those alumni are working in industries and they can really tell what actually is needed for such industries. And based on that, if we modify the course curriculum, then definitely we can grow the students in terms of their intellectual level, in terms of the opportunities that they get. Now, the curriculum encompasses both managerial and technical perspective. That is very important for you guys, because you guys are technocrats, and aims at developing managers who can address various safety and environmental problems, paving the way of cleaner and safer industrial practice. Right? Because if you think about pollution, is pollution just a managerial problem? No. Pollution is a technical problem. So the people with sound technical background, definitely they can be better at doing these things, because then they will have a 2 different skill set. One is the managerial part and the other is the technical part. So what this program trusts upon is that if you impart managerial knowledge to a technical person, then they can combine both the aspects and come up with much better solution than a pure technical or a pure managerial person. Okay, the next thing is the postgraduate diploma in industrial management. So here you have hands-on industry internship and you have many micro credit courses to enhance industry relevance. What is this microcredit courses, sir? These are some of the elective courses that you can take up in this institute in order to get more acquainted with the industry environment. Suppose, let us take an example of technical scenario. Nowadays, we see that Python has become a very, very interesting, very important language. Now, suppose your college was offering you a small course in Python and they will give you a certificate of it. Then it will be very, very useful for you, because then you are getting trained for the industry requirement and you are getting certified for it. Something like that NITI is doing for the managerial courses. It is giving you some of the courses which industry actually needs. You get credits, that is, you get marks for it, as well as you get certified that you know this much. Okay, so that will really help you in the industry. This is a great step. Now, it will emphasize on developing interpersonal skill. This is one of the most important skill when we talk about a manager, because a managerial person should have a skill of talking to different personalities, interacting with them and getting on with them, to provide students with the capability to manage customers and team members. Definitely, if you are a marketing executive, then definitely you will need to address your team members, you will need to address your customers, and you need to have a best way of doing those things. So here you will have an input of management to the student in addition to a strong technical orientation. I would say this is one of the most innovative courses by NITI Mumbai. Out of all three, what I feel is this is the most innovative. Again, another view of the campus. See how beautiful does it look. Now, eligibility criteria. You may have engineering graduate in any branch with 60% marks. Relaxation of 5% in case of SC, ST and PWD. So you need to have 60% aggregate in your all 8 semesters. Remember, okay, in your degree you need to have 60% aggregate. For PGDIE, Industrial Engineering, you only need GATE score. PGDIM, you need CAT score. PGDSM, GATE, CAT, GRE, GMAT, everything is applicable. Okay. So these are the 3 courses, out of which you can apply to 2 courses through the GATE score. Now, what is the application process? You have to apply online by online form submission. Then there is a group discussion and personal interview. Then as simple, the next step is the admission. The same step is being followed by all the PSUs when they recruit through GATE, and something like that is being done by NITI, that is written exam is the GATE exam. Then you have GD and personal interview. Now, NITI admission will be based on group discussion and PI with appropriate weightage to GATE or GRE score, academic performance and relevant experience. So remember, this is very important, your academic background. That means if your academic background is very, very good, that is you are a high scoring student in your college, in your school, definitely you have an advantage over other candidates. All the top MBA colleges or the management schools in the country, they always check the academic background to judge whether or not a student will be able to take that much pressure to cope up with the high pressure environment of the management schools. Okay, see what happens, whatever pressure you have handled in technical education, more than that you are going to handle in a management college. And one who has scored well, that means they are very, very consistent, they are very hardworking. Remember, high scores do not guarantee knowledge, do not guarantee intelligence, but what they guarantee is a hard-working personality, is a consistent personality, and that is why they check your academic performance in your BTech, in your 12th, 10th, anything, or your academic background, okay? Or the relevant experience. Suppose if somebody is having an experience of industry, then that experience will always hold him ahead of the other candidates. Suppose somebody has worked in an industry for 3 years and post that they are going to NITI, then that candidate is more valuable to the college because they already have an industry experience, and whatever they learn in the college, they can actually relate with the whatever experience they had. Okay. Now, shortlisted candidates will be informed about GD and PI, which will be conducted in online mode. Okay. Why online? Because of the COVID situation. Now, candidates shortlisted for admission at NITI will be intimidated by email or any other online notification. Okay, very simple thing. But remember, your academic background, your experience, as well as your GATE score, everything is relevant in order to get shortlisted for GD and PI. Now, what is the cutoff expected for general category? It is 720 to 760. Which branch? They don't care about the branch. Okay, that means you have higher competition here. Why? Because every branch is eligible to apply. OBC it is 550, SC 500 and ST 420. These are the expected cutoffs, so you can expect it to be near about this score value. Okay, so those of you who are having a score of 800, 900, they have a very good chance of entering into NITI. Now, fee structure. Let's see the fee structure. Academic charges for PG DIM and PG DSM. First year it is 4,45,000 and second year it is 4,25,000. Now you understand why is it something that not many people go after, because the fees is high. But definitely the fees is high in the management colleges. You can't expect it to be as low as your IITs. Now, facility charges 1,45,000 for each year. Student and welfare 63,000 and 70,000. Hostel 60,000 and 60,000. Deposit 50,000. So the total fees is 14,63,000. I know many of you might not be happy about it, because I personally come from a background when I did not have that much money, and that is why I could not go for higher studies. And my situation will be there with most of the students. But guys, this is not the data that I have decided, so don't go after me because of this. This is something that the colleges have decided. I can't do anything about it personally. Okay. Placements. What are the placements of this college? If you see the placement, the highest salary that went was 58.24 lakhs per annum. Average was 20.88 and 121 recruiters visited the college. That is a great stat to boast about, right? You might be surprised to see these stats that such kind of placement happens at NITI Mumbai. Now, what are the sector-wise split up? E-commerce 17%, BFSI, okay, 12%, consulting 17%, FMCG 12%, IT 14%, manufacturing 17%, pharma 4%, and others are 7%. That is a wide variety of recruiters visited this college, and that is why you get an opportunity to get into different sectors based on your preference. What was the average salary for BFSI? The average and the maximum. The average was 18.3, maximum 22. Consulting, average 19.4, maximum 31.2. FMCG, average is quite good. See, FMCG, the average is quite good, 26.5. What you must be focusing on is the average, not the maximum. Maximum is actually 32.8. Then IT, average 17.2, maximum 23.1. Manufacturing 17.9, 24. Others, average is 22.8, 58 is the maximum. Don't focus on others. Because of this high package, the average has increased. Then pharma and healthcare 18 and 20.7. Retail and e-commerce 26 and 46. So what you should be targeting is the retail and e-commerce. The average is very high. And the FMCG, again the average is very high. The branches where the average package is very high, that gives an indication that most of the students had great salaries, and that is why the average was very high. And these are some of the prominent recruiters that visited NITI Mumbai. Yes Bank, Cipla, Godrej, Amazon, OYO, Asian Paint, Reliance, HUL, Ola. So you can see all the top industries that you hear about around yourself. Those are the people that recruit from this college. So I don't think placement would be a concern for you once you get here. So if you can afford, the first thing is if you can afford and you have a valid GATE score, then definitely go for it. A great career might be waiting ahead of you. Okay. So that's all from my side. And remember guys, on 23rd May 11 AM, book this date and time. We have the biggest scholarship test ever, where you can win prizes up to rupees 5 crore. Just you have to enroll in the test on Unacademy Learning app using the invite code Ankit ESE. Okay, Ankit ESE. Okay, my friend, here you can win prizes such as Apple products, such as scholarship, everything you can win, and it will be delivered to your doorstep. You just have to take this test. Okay, and this is a Master Blaster practice series, which is a special class series we have started. where we are getting you to solve 10,000 questions. If you solve 10,000 questions before the GATE examination, then definitely next year you will have a much better chance of getting a top rank in the GATE, because after solving 10,000 questions, none of the questions will seem new to you and you will be easily able to crack them. Okay, other than that, you can join Unacademy Plus, where you get the top educators of the country teaching live on a single platform, providing comprehensive as well as crash courses. And not only this, you get daily assignment, weekly test series, question bank, and most importantly, your doubts are cleared. And in one umbrella, in one subscription, you get access to GATE batches, engineering services, PSU batches, as well as state PSC AE. So state assistant engineer exams also we prepare you for, and by default it will help you in your semester exams as well. So you can see just one subscription is solving how many problems for you. Then you can go after Iconic, where you will get a personal coach who will create a study planner for you, tell you how to study, what to study, what is the time that you must dedicate. You will get study booster session by top educators who will tell you like how to be motivated, how to be inspired, how to make sure you are consistent. You will get personalized test analysis to tell you your strengths and weakness. You will get study material, and at the last but not the least, there will be a dedicated team for you to solve your queries. And my friend, if you use the code AnkitESE, you will get an immediate 10% discount. Not only this, if you join today, you get 3 months extra on the subscription. That is, if you join for 12 months, you will get 15. If you join for 24, you get 27. The offer is only valid till today. And the third thing you get with this code is my personal guidance. Okay. And these are the new batches that are starting today: RSEB batch, UPRVUNL, and State AE. As I told, Unacademy is a single platform that will prepare you for GATE, ESE, PSU, and State PSC. Don't forget to use the code AnkitESE. And with AnkitESE, your 1 year fees would be 27,225, 18 months 34,650, 2 years will be 39,600. Go after 2 years so that per month fees is minimum, and you can pay in equal installment, 12 equal installment, without having to pay any interest. And these installments you can even pay via your debit card. You don't need to have a credit card. So with Iconic, with AnkitESE, your 1 year fees would become 45,225, 2 year would become 66,600. Again, better go for 2 years so that you have a chance of cracking multiple exams. This is my Unacademy profile that you need to follow so that you can chat with me, you can message me. And my friend, this is my Telegram channel where you can stay connected to me, and you get all the lecture notification and all the batches notification, as well as you get in touch with me through this Telegram channel. So thank you everybody. Please do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below the video. What all videos you want to see from my side in such a manner, what all colleges you want me to cover, so that I can take care of such colleges as well, and you get the best of the information before either you join any college or you start your journey towards GATE. Okay, till then, keep rocking like this, keep cracking it, let's crack it.